Hello there and welcome to this next in the series of the 3 cards of Aquarius. We saw that the star is all about the following. Every man and every woman is a star, and it is our divine purpose to allow our light to shine in the firmament, to be seen. We are all emanations of Source. Now the card that relates to this is the 6 of Swords, which is science. And I feel I want to return a little bit more to the Tree of Life. Now the Tree of Life, and there's the image for the Tree of Life. We have 3 pillars. On the pillar on the left we have the pillar of severity, and that's where we found the 5 of Swords, defeat on the pillar of severity. We have the middle pillar, that's where we find the 6 of Swords, science. On the pillar of mercy to the right we have the 7 of Swords, which is what's coming in the film following this one. So what I want to draw your attention to here is how it works with the balance. So with the 5 of Swords we have a situation of imbalance which is rectified when we add the 6th sword. So here we are looking at the picture in detail. It's a remarkable image, this one. This is Mercury in Aquarius. This is the impulse to communicate, the impulse to be of service to humanity and to be part of the bigger picture of making the world a better place. That's what this card's all about. And if you are born in this time of year, my mother is, and a number of my friends, you are blessed indeed. Science. So science, let's really go into this one. What science is as follows. It's the application of a clear mind. And using the clear mind, what the person in science does is they will come up with an idea, and this idea is something that they will wish to explore. And the idea they then form into what is called a hypothesis, which is when you state your intention about what you are looking at doing. You then do experiments to either confirm or refute the hypothesis. So the hypothesis could be something as simple as cold weather causes me to feel certain feelings. And you would then do some experiments. You would try wearing fewer clothes in the cold weather, and you would observe the results of this experiment, such as you go out with fewer clothes in the cold weather and you feel this, and this. That's you doing the observation. And then you would take time going back inside with warm clothes in a warm place, causing yourself to feel comfortable and relaxed again. And you would look at these observations and you see what conclusions you could draw. And you could say, well, the conclusion I draw is that when I go into the cold, my body tenses, and that causes my consciousness to take on certain qualities and causes me to think in certain ways and feel in certain ways. I'm not seriously suggesting you do an experiment about the temperature. What I'm showing you is how science works, which is you get an idea. You then test the idea through experimentation, you observe the results you get from your experiment, and you draw the conclusions. And that then enables you to have a deeper understanding of the issue which you chose to examine in the first place. So going into the card, just look at it. 60 degrees between each of the sword points, all the sword points pointing into the exact centre of the card. The swords are the same size, shape and weight. And at the centre point of these swords, where they all intersect, we have the yellow cross, which is the cross of manifestation, which is the practical results of your science experiment. And within the cross we have the pink rose, which is a love unfolding. And so through a balanced mind we can connect with the love. Now let's see about transforming this card. And the first thought might be, well, why transform a card so wonderfully balanced? Well, let's find out. So this card is the number 59. It's pale yellow and pale pink, together giving the colour pale coral. Transforming the water in the glass into the colours on the card, as usual. We turn the card over and we have Lady Portia. I understand the laws of light and how appropriate they are for my growth. I understand the laws of light and how appropriate they are for my growth. I understand the laws of light and how appropriate they are for my growth. The Six of Swords in the Tree of Life represents the exact balance point. The point of balance between the pillars of severity and mercy, the balance point between spirit and manifestation on the earth. The Six of Swords represents love in action through a balanced mind. The Six of Swords relates the qualities of beauty and rapture. And the Six of Swords is the thinking manifestation of the qualities of the heart, the centre of your body, and the sun, the centre of our solar system. This truly is a gift, the Six of Swords. And as we go deeper into this, we understand that letting go of the judgment of the self helps with discrimination and balance. So letting go of any self-judgments helps with discrimination and balance. And we see the scales in Lady Portia's right hand, and we see the light shining from her heart on the middle pillar at the centre of her being. Doing what we love to do helps to get in touch with the lightness of our being, especially when judgment of self is suspended, when we do not meet our own expectations in what we do. The presence of the non-judgmental aspect that is possible when we accept ourselves as we are is what we are manifesting with Lady Portia in the transformation of the Six of Swords. All my love to you on your journey through life. Thank you.